Have you wondered how easy it is to install Elementor plugin? Today I will show you how to install it for free using a WordPress website. In this video, I will share with you a short tutorial that will show you how simple and fast it is to create your own website using the Elementor plugin for WordPress. But first of all, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have prepared a super interesting series of tutorials based on WordPress and Elementor. So, in order not to miss any new tutorials, make sure you have subscribed and click on the bell. At the end of the clip, if the information helped you, give us a thumbs up. Thanks. Let's start the installation. Before installing the Elementor plugin, I suggest you to install the Classic Editor plugin. After you have installed and activated, as we showed you, we return to the page for adding new plugins and add Elementor in the search box. The process is similar to the one before when I installed the editor. If you are new and want to find out as much information as possible about the Elementor functions, its developers provide a documentation page that you can visit. Once you install the Elementor plugin, when you want to create new pages, you will see that in the template section you will find two new options. Make sure you check Elementor full width. I will now go and choose a new theme, 2020. It's one of the default themes of WordPress, and I want to show you how easy it's to change the design of a page directly from Elementor. I'm curious what theme you thought about for your website, so tell me in a comment what theme you would use for your site. After activating the new theme, you can see that the background is light orange. Up in the pink bar, I have two menus. Click on the one on the left, and I have access to some layout customization options. The icon on the right shows me all the available items or elements that I can use on my page. The plugin is installed and you are ready to create your first website using Elementor. Maybe it doesn't seem like much at the moment. You just have to be committed, learn and grow more and more. Thank you for being here. If you want more videos about Elementor, don't forget to subscribe to receive notification about the following tutorials that we will upload. Also, if you found the information in this tutorial useful, please give us a thumbs up.